Hi, welcome to Sweet Poppy Homestead. So today we wanted to introduce our new baby chicks. We have 8 chicks and we have had them since they were a couple days old. They're 2 weeks old today, so we thought we would introduce them to everyone and then give an update later on, and we'll let you know if we think they're hens or roosters. And maybe if you know something, you can tell us what breeds, or if you think they're hens or roosters, because I'm so curious. But without further ado, here are our baby chicks. Okay, this is the first chick we got. This is Honey, and Honey was always the leader of the pack. And you can, why don't you put Honey, let's put Honey in here. Yeah, so Honey, it was the biggest. She's our biggest chick, and she's yellow. None of the others are. She's been the leader, and everyone kind of follows her along. She kind of acts like a rooster because she's always kind of guarding, and she'll run up to you and sometimes peck, but she's generally really sweet. She just doesn't like to be held. And so she looks like a hen, but she definitely acts like a rooster. So tell me what you think about Honey. What else about Honey?
There's a little comb starting to form at the top.
Yeah, she has a little comb starting to form. I think she might be a California white for breed. I'm not sure. Okay, let's get another chick. Also, I forgot to say, Honey is our kids' favorite. They really wanted this yellow chick, so she's a favorite among the kids. Okay, this is Sweetie. She's one of our friendly chicks. Let's put her inside here. Hey, Sweetie. So she likes to be pet, and she'll walk up to us and want to be held. We think she is, she's a hen. She has the long tail feathers here, and she's super sweet. Sweetie, look at us. Yeah, and that is Sweetie. Let me show her. Let's look at her head so you can see her front too. Look, Sweetie. All right, this is Dottie. She is our friendliest chick by far. She was named because of that little black dot on her head, and she's very sweet. She'll just jump up and want to sit in your lap, and almost like she's a little dog. She's very kind and friendly, and we think she's a hen because of those long tail feathers and her demeanor. So yeah, we think this one is a hen. That's Dottie. All right, this is Bandit. She is also very sweet, one of our friendly chickens. And we called her Bandit because she can escape out of anything. When they were smaller, we were using a dog crate, and she was able to get out when she was younger, and she just wanted to come out and hang out with us. She's very sweet. So her demeanor, we think she's a hen, and those long tail feathers. Yeah, so that's Bandit. Bandit. All right, this is Mickey. He's very sweet. He tolerates being held. He likes to kind of be on the go. He likes to roost more than all the others and try to fly. So he can be hard to catch sometimes. But he's a really nice guy. You can see, we think he's a rooster. He has a comb starting to form before the rest. And then if you can see, he doesn't really have the tail feathers yet, like some of the ones that we think are hens. And his wings are shorter. Can you show the wings? Oh, see, he just wants to fly around. Can you show the wings or no? There we go. There you go.
Sorry, buddy.
All right, so yeah, that's Mickey, our youngest. Named him. She really likes Mickey. Let's show you Daisy next. Okay, so this is Daisy. She's really sweet, but she doesn't like to be held as much as some of the other chicks. She's really beautiful. She has these white spots on her back, and she looks very similar to Sweetie, except her head's a little bit more blonde. And her name is Daisy. So it's kind of a toss-up if she is a rooster or a hen. She does get in tiffs with some of the other chicks, including Honey, the big yellow one. And she likes to stand upright, look you right in the eye. So her tail feather is kind of like a medium size, but her wings are long, so I'm not so sure about her. We'll have to just wait and see. What do you think? Okay, this is Cutter. He's one of my favorites. His feathers are so soft. He's really sweet and likes to cuddle. He's one of the smaller chicks we have. And you can see he's all black, except he has some white on his wings. And we think he's a rooster because the comb is starting to develop. And he doesn't have much of the tail feathers yet. His wings are shorter. But yes, he is such a sweet little guy. Very cute. Yeah, so that's Cutter. My son named him. And this is our last chick. This is Poppy. She's our smallest chick. She's also the most timid and shy. And she's also so fluffy and cuddly. She tolerates being held. She's pretty skittish, but she does really like my daughter holding her. She has little tiny tail feathers. She almost looks like a silky. And some of the other chicks that are bigger, sometimes they fight with her. So I'm wondering if she's at the bottom of the pecking order. Oh yeah, we'll see what she turns out to be. I think she's a hen. And she almost looks like a silky, but what do you think she is? Please let me know. So that was our baby chicks. We'll do an update when they're a little bit older so you can see if they are hens or roosters, and maybe we'll be able to tell once they're adults what breeds they are. But if you think you know, please drop a comment below. And I also have a video coming up of the coop and us kind of transforming this whole area. It used to be a greenhouse. We moved that and we took everything down, and we still need to do the gardens and fix this up a little bit, finish the inside. But yeah, there'll be a video of that coming up. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.